Hey guys, it's Jesper, and in today's video I will show you exactly how I went from this losing streak, as you guys can see, spending $200 on ad spend on Facebook, making back 179, to a winning streak. I spent again 100 euros on ad spend, and now I made back $600. Rosic 6, like different results, same amount of ad spend, different platforms. And this is what I will show you today in today's video, how to lose money with dropshipping, but also how to fix it. I've generated more than $10 million in the last 6 years with dropshipping, and it was only because I made one big change, and I will explain this change. So let me get my pencil out here. You guys can see we spent $200 in ad spend, $200 in total almost, with a pretty high CPC, as you guys can see, pretty good CTR because I make creatives myself, and then a pretty high CPM as well. Well, it's literally 17th of November that I'm recording this, just before Black Friday, and things are getting crazy. And you guys can see I had a nice conversion rate, I had a good amount of orders, and a decent amount of revenue, but still net negative. And then I switched and made again a new campaign. I spent 100 euros and now we made back $600. Not the best maybe conversion rate, but now way better amount of orders and a way better ROAS. So what did I fix? Well, I fixed my loser setup. And what is a loser setup? What does it look like? Now you can reflect on your setup, and if your setup looks like this, you are on a loser setup. You need to fix this. So a loser setup means that you're chasing this one winning product that will change your life forever. Every guru on YouTube will tell you this. You only need one product to change your life. Well, I can tell you, if you're testing 100 plus products, you'll let you already bankrupt before you find this one winning product, okay? So what do? First, you subscribe to an expensive spy tool. Let's say Kilo Data or Fastmas, which will cost you 80 bucks a month. Then you find your winner, and now it's time to advertise it. So for that, you need winning creatives. Speak to one avatar, original content, and different awareness stages. Cost $30 per video, in my case 26 ads. As you guys can see, I will show you. No one will ever show you this, but I'm being very transparent. You guys can see we made 27 ads actually. 27 custom ads. These are all made by myself. All made by the editors. You see the editor names. You guys can see I spent money on making these ads myself because I don't want to rip. Then you guys can see this was costing me $780. But now we have different awareness stages, original content, and I'm speaking to one customer avatar. Then, of course, I need a high converting landing page with a winning offer. I'm not the best designer, so I spent some money on designers making the images, cost 150 bucks. But you guys can see conversion rate $4% almost, which is nice, right? I think this is decent. Not a lot of people in dropshipping have this. So that's looking good as well. So now you launch these ads in one campaign at $100 per day for 3 days. That's exactly what I've done. But I was not able to launch these ads very easily because my Facebook profile is restricted. So what do I need? I need an agency account that takes, I believe, 2.4% of the ad spend. So that's already more expensive. I needed to buy a business manager of $200, and I needed to buy a Facebook profile of $25, which means I spent in 3 days $1,500 to literally get this result. That's what I've done. Yes. That's literally what I've done. And I did not do anything crazy. I'm even going the extra mile because I make a custom landing page and custom ads. That's it. And the custom landing page is just with the Shrine team. Don't get me wrong, it's just a Shrine team, but just custom images. So the rat race that I was stuck in is you buy expensive spy tools, you find products that are selling, then you rip everything one-on-one because you don't want to spend money on creatives or landing pages. You launch the exact same offer and the exact same creatives, and Meta and TikTok will punish you because you literally copy and paste, and you repeat this process 5 times a day with 5 different products. So then when you have something that clicks and you find this winning product that is generating you a little bit of sales, imagine that I would tweak this offer, I would keep tweaking and spending money, and finally, boom, it clicks, and I'm starting to spend a lot of money. Thousands of people see your ads on these spy tools as well. Thousands of people, like literally so many people are, I think even hundreds of thousands of people are subscribed to these spy tools. And then they copy your offer and ads and start competing with you. And that means you're stuck forever. That means you're stuck forever. If I now need to switch and tweak everything that I'm doing in here, this will cost me a lot of money, a lot of time, and a lot of headaches. And when finally something is clicking, boom, it's taken away from me. So If you're in this loser setup, I will give you the winner setup. So pay attention to this. Make sure that you're fully dialed in, okay? The winner setup is different because you decide to run ads on a platform with less competition. This is already the fundamental change that I've made. Don't get me wrong, I have done 150K per day with Facebook ads dropshipping, 2020, 2021, which was amazing. But then I saw how competitive it was already back then, and I made one big change. I changed the platform. Less competition is higher margin. If everyone goes to the left and you go to the right, you probably have way more to eat on the right than if everything is going to the left and eats from the same plate. Now we have less competition, higher margin. So you decide to use a platform with buying instead of impulse buy. On Facebook, people are scrolling, right? People are scrolling and connecting with their nieces and aunties and just making fun of each other. They're not there to buy products. But I use Google Ads. And guess what? If you want to buy this wireless mouse, you go to Google and type in wireless mouse. And then boom, you buy it. That's how easy it goes. So that's a big fundamental change. Now what you need is to find winning niches and collections. You're not chasing winning products. No, you're going into niches and collections with high demand. You use Amazon's movers and shakers, Google Keyword Planner, and Google Trends to find these products. And guess what? It's free. Cost $0. Then you will use the AI campaign setup that will create creatives for you. So you don't need to create creatives. Again, $0. That's amazing, right? We're literally just doing everything for free. And if you guys wonder how does this look like, well, if you type in women winter jacket, you see these creatives. And these creatives are all made by Google. All of them. All are made by Google. And these are actually your product pictures. So then you build a store with multiple products in a certain niche or collection. So I call this a branded general store or a branded niche store. If you use my link, literally the Shopify link that I have somewhere in the description, $1 for Shopify. That's it, $1 for Shopify. So then you build a competitor list with competitors that you can copy because we still need to find competitors that are selling products that you want to sell. Well, good thing, that's free for you guys as well because I have it here. If you guys want to have my competitor tracking sheet, make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Literally over 50% of those watching is not subscribed to the channel. So please make sure you're subscribed and leave a comment and say something nice. If you say something nice in the comments and you're subscribed, I will send you this competitor sheet. You use this competitor sheet and it costs you again $0 because I just gave it to you. You use AI tools to copy the products on your store and you optimize them. New title, images, and product descriptions. That's what you want to do because you don't want to rip one-on-one. That doesn't make any sense. You don't want to rip one-on-one. This costs you $19. We are soon coming with our own AI tool that everyone can use. The Freedom Achievers members are already testing this one. I think 2 weeks, guys, and I will put it in the description for you. $19. That's what it's going to cost. Not much. Then you apply for the Google Merchant Center and launch your first campaign. That's what you do. And you do this on a $40 a day budget. That's it. So now you decide to not do this on your own and you know you're saving a lot of money because literally Facebook ads dropshipping is way more expensive. So you invest in a shortcut, proximity, connections, and knowledge. Guess what? Freedom Achievers. As you guys just see, we just got a first sale in from Lucas, and I will show you. Lucas just got his first sale, which is amazing. He just joined the community and made already his first sale. Martin made his first 1K day. Amazing, right? In the Swedish market. Here again, 24 hours, one PMAX campaign. You see the PMAX campaign again. That's the AI campaign. First sale. Here, Gerard is killing it. 499K in the last 30 days, only with Google Ads dropshipping. Karim making his first 1K day again. In the Freedom Achievers community, we teach people how to make the first 1K day in 90 days using only Google Ads. And there is no fake scarcity here and no fake urgency, but we're increasing our prices on November 28th. This is our Black Friday deal. So if Black Friday is over, the price increases to $349. So you guys, if you want to join the #1 school community about Google Ads dropshipping, you should join now because now you can join for $199, but soon for $349, and you're missing the boat, okay? So now the total cost of this whole setup is $262. And you have invested in yourself as well. So you did not waste any money on that particular part, which is insane, right? You have now new connections, you have more proximity to me and all the team members, etc. You can hop on live calls. You now have a AI tool that you can use. You now have all this stuff that will generate a ROAS of 6, because that's what I have, a ROAS of 6, as you guys can see. And boom, you only spent $262, which is insane. Which is insane. And the funny thing is, now you can even exit your store as well. And not a lot of people know this, but Google Ads dropshipping is on autopilot. Literally, this what I've literally sent here, and this is what I've put here. This is all managed by yourself and maybe some VAs. That's it. And you only need to literally scale the budgets 2 times a week with 20%. That's what you do. Now look, I've sold my stores. As you guys can see, 25K for this store, 42K, and for this store, 32K. In 1 year, I made 100K selling my stores, which is crazy. And these stores, I only did the exact same process that I did here. Literally use the competitor sheet, copy the products in there, use AI, optimize the tool, optimize with the tool, and launch a PMAX campaign and scale. That's it. That's the whole process. But guess what? With Facebook ads dropshipping, guys, you cannot do this. No one wants to buy this. This is so dependent on the platform and you're literally so inconsistent with all the results. No one wants to buy this. While with Google, you guys can see, I will show you how it looks like this year, year to date. Look, this is how scale looks like. This is how scale looks like. Consistent growth, consistent growth. That's insane, right? 539K already on this store, and I'm just working with this store maybe 1 hour per week, which is insane. So guys, again, if you guys want to join Freedom Achievers, first link is in the description, because we're literally increasing prices very soon. And I would hate it if you guys miss this and then you come back and you're like, oh, Jesper, give me a discount. No discounts possible. I've already talked many times about this price increase. If you guys want to see how I made 1.5 million using this winner setup, watch this video, because I explain a full case study how I made 1.5 million with one store using only Google Ads for my dropshipping store. Thanks for watching, and I see you in the next one.